Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 51 how to check who has viewed your IG story on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and now you can go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then go to your IG story. If you haven't posted any stories, post the stories first and then come back to see who has viewed your IG story. Yesterday I posted a couple of stories. If you swipe up, one person has viewed the first story, two the next, one person the third, and two people on the fourth. Swipe down again. Go back to your profile. Go back to your iPhone homepage. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.